Here's an update on the 1968 Honda Z50A K0 project. As you can see, it's starting to look kind of good. I redid the wheels, tires, got the side cover in, air filter. That's not a stock fuel line, I'm just running it to the loaner gas tank I have on it until I can get the proper gas tank. This thing is a running sucker, man. Recovered the seat. Classic white piping and everything. Finally got these two bolts out, which I just have. This was already there. I don't know what the hell it is. Previous owner rigged it up. I put a bolt in this one. I'm gonna get the tighten down handles, get new levers. Figured out why the front brakes don't actuate and everything. I mean, the pads don't have any surface left on them at all. I had the carburetor vat dipped at Bass Pro. My neighbor's a Mercury certified outboard technician, and he just took it up there and vat dipped it for me. I have awesome neighbors. Now you can tell, new old stock, old ass engine. I still have to clean the engine and paint it and everything, but I need to get a kill switch, the coil. I found the whole foot bar assembly, a couple of them. Got a nice eyeball valve cap cover on either side. I hammered out the dents in the fenders. They're nice and straight now, nice and flat, smooth. I just have to put another coat of primer on it and paint them again. I've taken the frame down to the original coat of paint because it had this ugly, cheap, looked like Krylon, red, chippy spray paint coat someone put on it. And honestly, the original coat didn't look that bad for a few scratches here and there. Looked a lot better than the paint they had on it. I'm going to take the forks apart, get the new rubber boots for the bottom parts. This thing's going to be really sweet soon. Check out how nice this thing rides. That's it for now. I'll keep you updated on further improvements to it. Thanks for watching.